Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see one wonderful news to the postgraduates. Okay, only post-graduation and any post-graduation. Okay, even though if you're a fresher or experienced, no problem, you can earn or else the salary is 1,82,400 rupees per month, and these are all the permanent jobs, guys, and you may apply from any state. Okay, and this notification announced from the one of the government college. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. If your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWYNIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is a Shamlal Evening College from University of Delhi. So from this one here we got the few non-teaching positions, guys. So applications are invited in the prescribed format through speed post only for the following post on the permanent basis. The full details of the advertisement and the application form are available on the university website, and the last date for the receipt of application within 20 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. Okay, so last date is 18th Jan 2022, and the no application will be entertained after the prescribed date. And coming to the positions here, librarian, administrative officer, senior technical assistant, computer assistant, junior assistant, MTS library and MTS computer laboratory. And here based upon the caste category, the number of vacancies are also mentioned here, so you may check down, and here the pay levels are also mentioned. And whatever the only post graduation I said at the starting of this video, that is administrative officer. Okay, so it is academic level pay 10. That means you will get 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And apart from this one, here the few more positions are also there with the post graduation qualification that we will check one by one. Okay, so here the last date of the submission of the form is 18th Jan 2022 by evening 5 o'clock, and fee payable also mentioned here. General or unreserved 500 rupees and OBC non-creamy layer or EWS 400 rupees, SC, ST, PWBD 300 rupees, and the date of examination will be announced later in the Delhi University website. Okay, and the timings and the information regarding the admit card and the duration of the examination, all these things, okay, will be mentioned in the university website itself. And the demand draft should be drawn in favor of Principal Shamlal College payable at Delhi with regard to the payment of fee as per the respective categories. And coming to the essential qualifications, so the first one, librarian, post-graduation library science or information science or the documentation science, or an equivalent at least 55% of marks qualifying the national eligibility test, that is UGC NET must be there. And candidates who have been awarded the PhD degree in accordance with the university grants commissions, then as per the regulations 2009, those candidates are exempted from the UGC NET qualification. Okay, and so post graduation library science plus UGC NET is enough to apply for that one. And coming to the administrative officer, so here in the administrative officer, 35 years is the age limit, and a good academic record with a master's degree with at least 55% of marks, or else it's equivalent of grade in the UGC 7-point scale. Okay, so it is administrative officer requirement, guys. And coming to the next one, senior technical assistant computer. So graduation or post graduation in computer science or computer engineering or computer technology, information technology, electronics, electrical or electronics and communication. Okay, and yeah, 100% by direct recruitment. And coming to the assistant, 30 years, a graduate from a recognized university in any discipline with good working of knowledge. So it is assistant post is there. And coming to the junior assistant, so age limitation is 27 years and educational qualification 10+2 as well as the 35 words per minute typing speed in English or else as well as in Hindi, English or Hindi. And coming to the MTS library, 10th pass certificate in the library science. Okay, and coming to the last one, MTS computer lab should have the past matriculation. So these are all the points, guys. And So general conditions for the applications are also given here. So you please check down all these points. So anyhow, these are the main things, guys. So here any graduation, any post graduation vacancies are there. So that you may check down. And how to apply means eligible candidates are required to download the application form available on the Delhi University website itself. Duly filled application form along with the fee of 500 or 400 or 300 as per the caste category in the form of demand draft drawn in the favor of this one. Okay, along with the attested photocopies of certificates and testimonials should be sent through speed post or else a register post to the college. The candidates are required to apply only through the speed post or register post, and the superscribe on the envelope of the cover that application for the post of dash and what is the category. Okay, so these are all the points, guys, and application form you may check down here. Okay, so these are all the particulars they are asking in the application form. Got it? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. So any post graduation and any graduation here, the opportunities are there. But anyhow, few vacancies are there. So if your vacancies or else if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. Got it? And if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want